Namaskar. A warm and gracious welcome to you all in our program Nayana Pathagami Rath Yatra Festival 2021. As you know, we are celebrating this auspicious festival of Rath Yatra and offering our prayers to Lord Jagannatha through our virtual medium because we need His blessings more than ever now during this time of crisis. We would now like to welcome our guest for the evening, Roshni Mullik, who is a notable talent in the field of Manipuri Nritya. Nandito is really thankful to her for her presence in our festival. You have joined us today, which is really a proud moment for us. Please share your feelings and thoughts on this occasion.
Namaskar, I'm Purvita Mukherjee, a Manipuri dancer based in Mumbai. I'm very happy to be part of this virtual dance festival, Nayana Pathagami, organized by Nondito and Koelika Basu. It started last year in 2020 during the pandemic, and it was wonderful to see how many artists came together and made the festival so very worthwhile. This year again, we have an amazing lineup of artists, so I'm really looking forward to be part of this festival. I wish Koelika Di and Nondito all the best for its future endeavors. Namaskar.
Manipuri Nartanalaya is the creative child of Guru Bipin Singh along with Guru Kalavati Devi and the Jhaveri sisters. You have yourself been associated with it for a long period under their guidance. Kindly tell us a little about how their blessings and trainings aided your establishment as a Manipuri dancer.
I've been associated with Manipuri Nartanalaya since the 1980s when I was 4 or 5 years old, and it's been part of my growing up journey ever since. It was like our second home in college, as we used to spend our mornings as well as evenings there, apart from the time we spent in school or college. And of course, Guruji and Mashi Kalavati Devi, they were an integral part of this process. We shared a very sweet understanding and relationship with Guruji. By the time we were in college, Guruji was much less, I think, strict. And so one very funny incident which I remember was that every morning when we used to go for practice and we entered Nache class, he would be sitting on his sofa and he would be looking up at the clock, and he used to say, "Why have you come now? I've been expecting you from 7 o'clock if the rehearsal was at 7:30, or if the rehearsal was at 7, he used to say, why have you come now? I've been waiting for you from 6:30. So he used to no, Guruji, the rehearsal was today at so-and-so time. So that used to be a very funny kind of a thing every single day. Actually, Amar Ma ke Guruji kothao Amar Mar kotha শুনেছিলেন, and they were looking for a Rabindra Sangeet singer, I think for most probably a dance drama, Chitrangada. And they were looking for a singer for I think one of the main roles, Kurupa or Shurupa. And they met Ma, Guruji met Ma. And in those days it was very difficult to sing with the mridongo, because they were not used to its bowls or the way it was played. So it was difficult to keep the tal with that, those who were not used to it. And I think Ma did a brilliant job on so what Guruji thought. And so after that she moved forward and sang for many of the dance dramas at that time. আর আমি তখন খুব ছোট ছিলাম, আর মার সঙ্গে বোধহয় রিহার্সালে যেতাম. I was all of maybe 4 or 5. And Ma was also very influenced with Manipuri dance because she grew up in Shantiniketan. And of course in Rabindra Manipuri dance plays a very important role. So she was drawn to it herself from childhood. So I guess she thought that she wanted me to learn it, and that's how I started learning Manipuri dance in Manipuri Nartanalaya. under, of course, Guruji Guru Bipin Singh and our Guru Ma, Kalavati Devi. The main person who shaped, or at least with whom I'll give credit for whatever little I know of dance today, or whatever little I do today, goes all to our to Mashi Kalavati Devi. I just hope that today I am also teaching. I hope we can carry a little bit of that, those special talents with us when we impart, when we teach dance to our students.
Presenting a beautiful performance by Roshni Mullik. রথযাত্রা অনুষ্ঠানে আমরা সারা বিশ্বের যে প্রান্তে যখন যাকে মণিপুরী নৃত্যশিল্পী পেয়েছি, যাদেরকে আমরা আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়েছি, সবাই নন্দিতর এক ডাকে নন্দিতর পাশে দাঁড়িয়েছে। মুম্বাই থেকে আজকে আমাদের সাথে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন রোশনি মল্লিক, পূর্বিতা মল্লিক, যাকে আমরা পূর্বিতা বলেই ডাকি। কিন্তু পূর্বিতার আরেকটা, মণিপুরী নৃত্যশিল্পী ছাড়াও পূর্বিতার আরেকটা পরিচয় আছে, যেটা মনে হয় বলা আজকে খুব দরকার। আমাদের সবার প্রিয় রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত শিল্পী প্রমিতা মল্লিক, প্রমিতাদির সুযোগ্যা কন্যা পূর্বিতা। ভবানীপুর বৈকালী অ্যাসোসিয়েশন, পূর্বিতার কাছ থেকে শুনে নেব বৈকালীর কথা।
Bhavanipur Boikali Association started its journey way back in 2010 September. A lot of people were quite skeptical when I started it, as they thought it would be quite difficult for me to make journey every month from Mumbai to Calcutta. But thanks to God and all your support, and of course my students, we have been able to complete this journey and look forward to continuing this in the coming years.
नव वृंदावन नवीन लता नव नव नवीन वसंते नवीन मलयाणीलो मातल नवली कुसुमित निकुंज कुसुमित निकुंज चकोरी पानी चाहिया मधुरानी चकोरी पानी चाहिया मधुरानी नोटी पोती डाले इसलया में दूधोले इसलया में दूधोले कुसुमित निकुंज परिशीलना मल मलय मधुकर निकर करंदित हो खेल उदित कुंद
you all enjoyed the festivities with us. We will be back tomorrow again to meet you all. This is Kuhelika Basu, your host for the evening, signing off now. Stay happy, stay safe everyone.